Crude oil has shown a major swing last week. Yes, forming a reversal sign. It has gone close to $80 levels. It has gone towards 79.6 and has reversed strongly before closing the week at 74.5. Yes, it is yet to break below 74 levels, 73.8 levels, which is definitely a greater support. Now, what to expect from crude oil? Is it going to get doomed from here? Or we can expect it to bounce back from the current levels as it is almost hitting a bottom. Which position we should take trading crude oil in the month of December and for the coming week, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, do subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. I do release twice a update on crude oil, first with the Asia and Europe session and next with the US session. Do watch both the updates. Let's start. First, let's have a look at the monthly charts. On the monthly charts, what has happened on crude oil so far? See, this is a long-term view here. You can see crude oil was divergent here. It is seen scaling towards the 20 period, then towards the 100 period moving average as well, and then bounced back. Now, what has happened here? It has almost scaled to the double top levels at 95 and since then have seen a major drop. Also, if you notice the last few months observation, see this was the bullish retracement channel and since then it has reversed. Now, first bearish candle, second bearish candle and the month has already started on a bearish. Now, for the coming week and the month of December, first we have to wait for it to break below 73.8, then below 73, and once the prices drops below 73, we can expect that it is going to go closer towards $70 levels from here. Yes, if it breaks below 73, we can expect that in the month of December, we are going to look forward to a major bearish candle. Now see, preceding candle was a swing candle with a bigger body and with a tail, and the candle or this month has already started on a bearish note. I will just wait for it to break below 73 for further bearishness, and then in this month itself, in the month of December itself, we can see crude oil hitting $70 levels here. In fact, it can breach below 70 as well and move towards 67, 65 level. This could bring a bigger fall, but if you observe this, largely I am seeing a sideways movement within the box for oil, and first support levels at around 70, 68 should be very strong, and then 65 should be the strongest. But remember, it appears that a movement from 75 to 65 is hardly anything, but if you look into the percentage terms, it is almost 12% from the current levels. Thus, we have to be extremely watchful and cautious, specifically first below 73 and then below 71. We can say more bearishness is going to prevail here. Now, look at the stochastic on the monthly charts. It has fallen sharply. It has come to the bottom here. It can hit oversold levels before rising. MACD. Now, this is important on MACD. See, waves here, and it is again divergent, but remember this is almost at the bottom. Oil sooner or later has to converge, has to cross over, has to rise. It has almost hit a bottom on the monthly charts and I expect it to cross over on the buying side. That it can stretch the drop for this month, that is the only concern point for me, and if it does falls below this support levels, we can say more bearishness. So this is going to be a crucial month. Whatever lows oil achieves this month, first of all it has to break below 73, 71 zone, and if it does stay below this, then definitely more bearishness towards 68 levels and 67 levels. In fact, 65 can be expected, but I do expect that this should be the bottom here for oil, and whatever lows it achieves this month, just buy for the coming few months. Now look at the stock RSI is looking downwards here. That is a bearish sign. Coming to the week, first of all, on the weekly charts, what has happened? 3-4 bearish candle. There was a reversal sign. It scaled toward the highs at $80 or 79.6 and has reversed. Now see, here again, it is closed with an increasing body size. Thus, next week becomes crucial. If it stays below 74, 73.8 zone, we can look forward to a major fall, and then specifically below 72, you can say that oil is looking forward to a crash towards $70 levels, Thus, we have to be careful in the coming week. Whichever direction it takes is going to remain the direction for the rest of the month. Now, look at the moving averages here crossing over for sell, and now 20 and 50 here at 81, 80.5 levels, and 100 period at 79.5 levels are going to be a critical resistance. This crossover is important, and if it crosses over with the 100 period also, you can say that oil has turned bearish. Stochastic on the weekly charts have hit a oversold levels, and historically, if you notice, whenever oil hits oversold levels, it shows a very good bounce back. Only point was here during the COVID times, it has hit an extremely oversold levels and stayed there for a while. So yes, it has come to oversold levels. Look at the weekly MACD as well, extremely diverse. Also, one must notice that after staying here for a bottom, it has retraced and it has crossed over here. Now, first of all, can it hit the bottom and stay there for a while before bouncing back? There is a probability. Second is, look at the divergence here. Moving averages are still divergent here. The candle size is still increasing. It is not showing any signs of reversal. Thus, next week is going to be critical. If it breaks below 74, 73 zone, certainly you can say more bearishness towards 72 and then 70 levels can be expected before it bounces back. RSI is also looking downwards. Coming to the now, look at the daily chart. See the highs here, twin peaks, the lows here, 74. Just there was a breakout here. So it is staying in this box here. And the next week is going to remain critical. Reversal sign, first red candle, and then we can expect in the coming week for oil to come out of this sideways zone. And then once it drops below, certainly you can say more bearishness is going to prevail towards 72 and then 70 levels. If you look at the Bollinger Bands, these have narrowed strongly. Now it's the time for the bandwidth to expand, which means the prices has to stay outside Bollinger Bands either on the upside or downside, exerting a pressure for it to expand. Stochastic looking downwards, suggestive of bearishness. Look at now, only sign I am getting of a reversal is from MACD. See the drop there, retracement, drop, retracement. Now it has not yet crossed over. So this is only a good sign on MACD that it can scale up on the upside. Now see, notice plus 200 and minus 200. These levels are crucial for crude oil here. It has hit a bottom. Only thing is it can hit a double bottom before bouncing back. So yes, whatever lows oil is going to achieve this month in December, probably this is going to be the lows for the near term and we are going to look forward to a bounce back. Next, whether can it achieve the lows or it is going to bounce back? That is the question. Yes, there is a little probability for it to achieve further lows towards 70 and below levels. And staying there for a while is where we can expect a bounce back in the next month. So this month probably might stay bearish, specifically if it stays below 73, 71, 70 levels. Yes, more bearishness is going to be seen below 70 only. Else that could be the bottom. RSI looking downwards, coming to 4 hour. On the 4-hour charts too, it is a sideways movement so far. It has to break out beyond 70 in order to confirm, beyond 74 in order to confirm further drop. Now largely saying 74, 78 is the first box, and then here you will find 72 and 80 as the larger box. So we have to be careful. Below 74 we can expect 73 and 72 levels, and below 72 is where further drop will be seen. Stochastic looking down, MACD is divergent and bearish. It has further scope for it to continue with the bearish momentum, and RSI is looking. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies such that you can trade profitably. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 28th batch is announced. You can be part of it. Register yourself now itself. Equip yourself with the tools, techniques, and strategies which can help you identify profitable trades and help you trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, or visit my platform www.forexfunda.com. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals you can bet. Here is a glimpse of my trading platform, forexfunda.com. This is my own, and this is created with the vision to provide traders everything which is required be it the education part, where this is the mentorship batch, this is the webinar which we conduct every Sunday, where we discuss what to expect from the markets in the coming week. Also, we take up your live questions and answers. So do register for the webinar for this. And yes, you get the live breaking news from across the globe here. You can read your top stories. You can see the top stories here. Next is, most of you have asked where you can get the data releases from across the world. You will find it in the economic calendar section. You can also search for your favorite charts, do the charting, do the analysis here, and you can also schedule a call if you find yourself stuck in any position. And yes, most importantly, here is the discussion forum where you can take up the discussion with the like-minded traders and take an informed decision. So do visit the platform forexsoda.com. You can also reach out to me via Telegram or email for any of my services, be it the signals channel, be it the mentorship batch, or the webinar series. Now, first let's talk about the levels. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel. Now, see, on the upside, I will recommend you to buy only if you now see it above 74.8 levels and 75.2 levels. Yes, if these two levels are taken, you can say prices are reversing, and then I will look forward to now see 75.5, 76, 76.4 and 77. Now only reversal confirmation is if you see oil staying beyond 77, beyond which we can look forward to 78 and then $80 levels, and then it will fly on the upside. Yes, sky is the limit on the upside. Already it has seen 5 to 6 bearish weeks, and a reversal cannot be denied, though it is not showing any signs. But these are markets, anything and everything is possible here. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell here at 73.8, below which you can say we will look forward to 73, the first target, and below 73, 72.4, 72 is the next support zone. And if you see oil trading below 72, we have to wait. We can look forward to $70, and in fact below 70, further drop towards 69.2, 68 is seen, below that a crash. Now these levels are applicable towards the complete month of December. Critical levels to watch out for: 70, then 72.4, 72, and then 73. So once it stays below 73, more bearishness is definitely going to prevail, which may take it towards 72, and then below 72 is where the sharper drop can be expected. Remember, we have already seen much of the bearishness in oil. The chances of a pullback are there, but though it is not showing a sign, but the chances do exist. Thus, we have to be very cautious in the coming week. The direction which it takes is going to remain the direction for the rest of the month. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel, join my free Telegram channel, and the webinar series. Reach out to me for any of your training or services related concerns. Also, you can schedule a call with me and book an appointment if you need any consultation with respect to your any existing position or a future prediction. Thank you very much. See you again every day with the US and Asia session update, and in fact twice a day updates every day. Do not miss that. Have a great profitable trading week ahead. Thank you.